Labandera ko, tunay ka umiiling, ang pati at palo-palo, ang siyang laging kapiling. Kung naglalaba sa pagsimoy ng hangin, sa tabi ng magisan, awit ko'y napapansin. Maging anuman ang hirap sa buhay, ay ligaya rin kung dulot mo hirang sa agos nitong tubig na malinaw. Ang sugat ng puso'y aking hugasan. Kung may hirap, may ginhawa. Tapunan sa gawain, diyan ka liligaya. Nakulog, maging anuman ang hirap sa buhay, may ligayain. Kung paway na nakulugan ako ng pisi, ayoko, nakulog pa. Sorry. Yan, ulitin natin. Ito po ay isang balitaw. Balitaw ito. Labandera ko, tunay ka kung umiiling, ang mati at palo-palo, ang siyang laging kapiling. Kung naglalaba sa pagsimoy ng hangin, sa tabi ng magisan, awit ko'y napapansin. Maging anuman ang hirap sa buhay, ay ligaya rin kung dulot mo hirang sa agos nitong tubig na malinaw. Ang sugat ng puso aking hugasan. hindi, ano yun, si Glenn Campbell. Like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse. Dati, alam mo, malimutan ko. Di ba, ito na lang. Tungtong ko na yan. Yan. Country road tayo. Alam mo yung country road, tingin mo. Sige. Country road. Okay, go. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, flowing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Come on, take me home, country road. All my memories gather round my first lady, swimming the river. Life is older, living in my mind. Yesterday's in moonshine, a teardrop in my eye. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, come on, take me home, country road. I hear a voice in the morning, now she calls me. Baby, don't remind me of my home days. Riding down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. Filipina, aking bayan, take me home. Country road, take me home. Now country road. Sige. Okay. Pangduli. Good. Subukan mo ito. Pagpisado ko ito. Yun, tama. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're bound to die. I met her on the mountain, and I took her, there I took her life. I met her on the mountain, and I struck her with my knife. Oh yes, hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're bound to die. This time tomorrow, and where I'll be,
30, 30. 30.
May kiliti ang masyado yan. Kababali. Okay. Ito ka naman, pero pa ako naman na. Ano nga ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na yan. Ano nga ba yun? Nakaisip ko na wala. Ano wala ko tinatawag. Ito. Itong ano. Ito. Wait mo bitaw nga. If you miss the train na ayaw. Okay, away from home pala. 500 miles, okay. Go! Tanong ha? Okay. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. And I'm 500 miles from my home. 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles. You can go the 500 miles from my home. Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. Away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. Not a shirt on my back, not a penny for my need. Lord, I can't go back home this away. This away, this away, this away, Lord, this away. Lord, I'm fine, go back home this way. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can blow to my heart from my home. You can blow 100 miles from my home. From the distance, man. From a distance. Subukan natin to ha. Dati alam ko ito eh. From a distance. From a distance. Sarap ang nagpasok ko dyan, no? From a distance. Hindi, pag narinig ko ulit, maaratak. God is watching us. God is watching us. God is watching us. From a distance. Yan. Ang muna ko na. Tagal na rin. Bale, kapag naalala ko ulit na pagka naalala ko. Meron yan po, alam niyan? Ata, ano yung, yun. Ano yan? Wherever the flower Ah! Sige, sige. Ah, okay. Tears in Heaven. Do you know? Yan, yan pala. Okay. Hindi, para sa inyo ano to. Gusto niyo itong araw na to para kahit marunong kasi ako kayo. We are still brothers, right? Do you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, do you feel the same? If I saw you in heaven, I'm on my way and gone away. For I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Do you understand? If I saw you in heaven, could you hold my hand? If I saw you in heaven, I'm not as strong to carry on. For I know I won't be long here in heaven. Time to break your heart, time to bring me down. Time to bend my knees and to beg you please, beg you please. Could you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, do you feel the same? If I saw you in heaven, beyond the door, I must see you. For I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. For I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Ha? Ay, sige, Mena. Ano kasi? May. Iya, katay ko daw. May. Okay, Jane. Ito, luma pa rin to ah. So, ito rin pamaypay ng may. Pamaypay. Okay, revival. Pamaypay ng Maynila, ang aking kanangkangan, ang siyang magsasabi ng nangyari sa ating buhay. Ang Pamaypay ng Maynila, kay sarap ng gamitin. Pati na tanging panglunas sa mainit na damdamin. Pagkat tayo ng hangin, na dito ay nanggaling. Ang hatid ay pag-ibig ng puso kong matampuhin.
Iba slip?
Okay, tara nyo. Pag ito'y pinamaspas ng panay at matulin, ako ay nagagalit, huwag niyo sanang babatiin. Subalit ang nasan mo, may ngiti at lambing, ako ay umiibig, lapitan mo aking ibig. Pamaypay ng Maynila, kay sarap naggamitin. Yan ang tanging panglunas sa mainit na damdamin. Bawat simoy ng hangin, na dito ay nanggaling. Ang hatid ay pag-ibig ng puso kong maramdaman. Ano Roberta Flack? Subukan natin. Subukan po natin na kung pagsalong pa yan. Ang original nung Peter Poliner yun. Hindi si Roberta Flack. Sige, subukan natin. Subukan natin. Subukan natin nung ha. Kung mapapasubo ko nito ha. First time ever I saw your face, I touched the sky, rolling my hand. The moon and the stars be within my blue.
Dito ka na. Dito ka. Dito.
Till the end of time, my love. Till the end of time. First time ever I kissed your love. Okay. Para daw kay Hermione, wearing solo face. Evan, para to sa iyo, the first time I saw your face. Oh my. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let there be springtime or Jupiter and Mars. In other words, take my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me stay forevermore. Let this be the springtime, for I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Right? Ay, Juan, manong para sa'yo. Ay, yan. First love. First love, never die. Ano yun? First love. First love, never die. First, first love, never die. Kunam niya. Kaya pero hindi pa tayo pag-nag-meet tayo ulit. Tama ako na. Maganda nga. Jungit. Ano ba ang isa? Ito. Yun. Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we're drifting apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kiss you and call you sweetheart? Do you gaze at your bottle, seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep
Stop ka na.
and picture me there? Is it wrong? Sorry. Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight?
Next time, next time.
Is your heart filled with pain?
Dito ka.
Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? Endless love. Uy, dalawa yun na. Sinong pwedeng makakano ko rito?
USB na. Ano po?
Ano sir? Okay, sign na lang.
Okay, bye.
Receive lang po.
Ano yun yun, di ba, ano yun?